In this episode, we make this badass 36-inch fire pit. For you.
From Livdar Studios.
If you want to buy it.
Yeah.
Whatever your wire.
I ran out of wire.
Oh no.
Need to put in new wire.
Oh, fire.
This is the the stuff that HTC provided. Came with the machine. This thing's been humming, man. Look, I was almost done. I was over here, and I just ran out of wire. I just need to go zip zap, and then do some on the sides and weld the feet. I'm done.
Wow. Look at this thing though.
Dude, it is.
That's a beast.
Yeah, I want to build them to be bomb proof, and like this is the like ultimate version. It's like the summation of everything we've learned by making these geometric fire pits. Like, it's better for them to have feet so they don't dig into your deck. Logos look cool on the side when the light comes through. Holes in the bottom plate for rainwater to drip through. You know, we came up with our little maker's mark. This one's from my aunt and uncle. They wanted to help promote me, and all of them, no matter what we do, we want to include this LAS maker's mark in them. And then this one is getting Cerakoted, which is something we want to offer on as many of our goods as possible, because if all the hype is to be believed, Cerakoting is rad, it is super durable, it is heat resistant up to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's a coating so these things won't rust. You know, the biggest thing with selling raw metal goods is to make sure people understand that they will rust. And in my opinion, natural patina of a raw metal fire pit is sweet. I like it. But I come from the salvage world, the patina world. As my dad says, it's patina, stupid. It's a literal quote from Mike Whiteside. But not everybody wants patina, stupid. So anyway, ran out of wire. So, how do you change the wire in a MIG welder?
Wow.
This is how. Insert roll of wire into welder.
Screw in roll of wire.
Screw on wire holder. Take wire out. Clip any bent pieces off so it's straight. Make sure that's tight. Insert wire without letting it unravel itself through here and then into the next piece. Okay? Make sure you have the right roller in there. Push down. Kaplat. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Remove this. Close. Now, turn my gas off so I don't waste my gas. Probably a good idea to pull your nozzle off, because sometimes it doesn't want to feed through there. Take your contact tip out. Stand here, look pretty, and hold the trigger. Mm-hmm. And wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
How slow is the feed rate?
I could crank the feed rate up, but I don't want to lose my settings. It's coming. Don't worry, it'll be here in a minute. Oh, jog your feed rate so it's fast.
I
wonder if this has a jog button. Just be patient. It's a moment to take a breath.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave this whole segment in unedited.
Oh, I feel it. It's close. Hey.
Well,
that was pretty slow.
Yeah.
So you let that pop out, then slide your contact tip back on, like so. Grab a little pliers. Don't over tighten it. Bang that on there twice. And then slide skis. And then one more time. Trim it. And you're good.
Wow.
That's how you change the wire on the HTP ProPulse 220. Now I want to throw this in the trash can, which is beyond the concrete mixer.
All right.
No. Way off.
I'm gonna edit it so it went in.
Just freeze it. But it's almost done. Welding the bejesus out of it. And my gas. Oh my gosh, is that really how much argon I'm flowing? God, I'm blowing through argon. That was still high from when we were doing spray transfer with Peter.
Yeah, well, it's funny, you should say that because one of the videos I'm working on right now is about how all the regulators stuff is wrong.
Yeah, that needs to be its own video.
It is.
That was wild. Anyway.
Last few welds.
Yeah, let me show you something. That's nice right there.
She is sizzling.
Yeah, this wire is better than what the crap I was using before. All right, I gotta do 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 more, 12 more.
All right. Back to work.
Okay. It's done. The ultimate Lift Arc Studios geometric fire pit is done. Except for the Cerakoting, which is coming up soon. This thing is a beast. It is 36 inches, well, let's see. The Lift Arc Studios lifted fire pit, we're calling it, is 36 3/8 by 36 3/8. And it stands 20 and a half inches tall. It's made of 3/16 steel. The sides are customizable. This person has chosen to go with the Mountainscape and then wanted to rep some Lift Arc Studios branding on one side. We also have a hole in here for the retroactive inclusion of propane burners, so you can run the gas line up through here. Holes in the bottom for drainage. Fully, well, stitch welded. There's no sense in welding the entire seam, but it's welded to all heck. Bomb proof. It's got the LAS maker's mark in the leg here, and it's got feet to distribute the load so it doesn't dig into your deck or sink into your yard. It weighs a whole heck of a lot. I mean, it's every bit of 150 pounds probably. I mean, I'm not a bodybuilder. It's not unmanageable, but it's definitely a 2-person lift. As far as shipping may be concerned, these can definitely be palletized and shipped to you. I haven't quoted LTL freight in a long time, but the last time I shipped something on a pallet to like California, it was like $450. Shipping! So maybe that's something we include in the price. I don't know. It's such a pain in the butt. But I love these things, and I think they are badass, and I want you to have one. And so I want to figure out how to make you have one.
Get one.
Get one. Obviously, I love if you come pick it up here in Roanoke, Virginia, which is where they're made by my greasy hands. But, we'll ship.
Yeah.
Money, please.
All right, dude.
But that's it. And this one's going to our newly found Cerakoting subcontractor. So I cannot wait to see it Cerakoted. It's getting coated a Glacier titanium as chosen by the customer. Cerakote apparently is good up to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit and is abrasion resistant. So we're gonna test that.
We're gonna figure that out real quick.
We're gonna test that. But obviously raw steel is always an option, and I personally am a fan because they look kind of cool when they get a little rusty. Mm-hmm. I come from the land of patina.
Yeah.
So.
All right.
You want to make a pyramid?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's do
Come
it.
check it out.
Ooh.
How you guys been? You been okay?
Yeah, I mean, you're not asking me, but yeah.
Oh, so here's where we're at with this. So this is a cool fire pit that we made for my aunt and uncle.
Yeah.
It's a deluxo pit with mountain motif in two sides. Bob wanted some Lift Arc Studios promo, so we got the Lift Arc Studios logo there. And then a hole here if he wants to add propane burners at some point. So we're gonna make a cap for this that's like a square pyramid, just a real shallow deal. Spike's already drawn it and cut out a 2D pattern. So if you want to know what an unfolded shallow pyramid looks like, it's this. Very strange shape.
Yeah.
But if you imagine there'll be a bend line from every corner to the dead center, and you'll just crease it just a little bit, and then you'll have a pyramid. Allegedly. So I'm gonna de-dross it, clean it up, and then hopefully our 18 gauge box and pan brake, if I apply the right amount of force, will bend 14 gauge. Hang in there, honey. Hang in there.
It's gonna be okay. Just this once.
Just this once. That's what you said last time. So anyway.
All right.
Time lapse, and I'll move it around.
Sounds good.
That's what we're doing.
So we cut out the pyramid top as a flat piece in hopes to make 3 bends and only 1 weld. Unfortunately, the piece was too wide to fit into the brake. So he had to bend it over a table edge with heat and a hammer.
So,
No.
in as much verbose language as you can possibly muster at this time of the morning,
Right.
can you tell me what this is and what and okay.
It is a top that Tay made. It's going on the fire pit, and I'm just making it black.
Alright.
But with some high heat grill paint. I don't know if it's actually grill paint or header paint. High heat paint, either way. So that if there's still fire on there, you can put it on there and kind of extinguish it without worrying about the paint bubbling. So I shot that yesterday. As you will see in the absolutely riveting time-lapse footage. And I'm just knocking it down, knocking off any kind of dry shot on there. I'm giving it a little bit more uniform, satiny finish, but you know, perfection's in the imperfection.
Yeah, yeah.
And we're perfect here.
Yeah.
We are covered.